What's going on, everybody? Adventure Addicts here, and today we're going to be doing the install on my new headlights that are also color changing. I already have the old bulbs out. I have one side installed already, so I'm just going to be showing you a quick install on the driver's side. So that's the more difficult side. It's hard to get your hand in there, especially on a Challenger. And yeah, I'll show you all the wiring and stuff that I already hooked up. Alright, catch you in a bit. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to set up is finding, since the battery is in the back of the Challenger in the trunk, the first thing you want to do is find the positive and negative posts that you wish to jump the battery with underneath the hood. Alright, here you go, let me see. So, you come on the left side of the vehicle, or the passenger side. This is your positive, that's where you would jump from. Then over here, this long bolt would be your negative. It doesn't always have to look like this. Some models have an actual wire connecting to it, but mine is empty. And basically the kit comes with this wire that connects both positive and negative, and then a Bluetooth controller lead that connects to two wires here, which connect to both bulbs. So you get this whole controller part that goes straight to the posts, and it connects to the actual bulbs themselves. I'm going to zip tie this all up nice and neat later after the video. The next thing you're going to do is take out these plastic pieces right here. So basically you just bend it a little bit. You can move this out of the way. Come on. There you go. And then that just, there's two little holes and two pins. That's all it does, and this just comes out. Put that on the floor, and then you take out the other side, and it does the same thing. So I'm going to be showing you how to do the one side. The passenger side is already done. The driver's side is also done, but I'm just going to redo it for you. Okay guys, so we swapped over from the driver's side to the passenger side because this side has a lot more room. As you can see, the airbox is not in the way. So this is your bulb. The yellow part you see is the main headlight bulb. The little reflective chip part underneath is the color LED. As you can see on the bottom, it is fan cooled, and it's just your standard 9012. So this comes with a little ballast, and it has the 9012 headlight connector, and then it connects to those wires for the Bluetooth controller as well. So as you can see, it goes right down in there. It's not a bad one, it's not a bad fit, but it's relatively easy on this side at least. The other side you don't have much hand room. So once you get it in, just line up the holes, give it a little twist towards the fender, and you're on. Hey guys, just cutting myself off right here, but I forgot to mention that I ran the wires from the driver's side right here, right above the radiator, connecting to the other port on the controller side. So yeah, just to let you guys know, I forgot to mention it in the video. Alright, peace out. Paste that sells them, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, let's do a little test here. Because if I hit my unlock button, they should both light up. Extremely bright compared to the originals. And then I'll show you a little in-depth into the app itself on my phone here. So let's see, I don't know if you can see it, but you would have to download this app called Happy Lighting. Click on this, brings you up a screen. So basically, you click over here, this will be your device. Click the little light bulb, it will turn them on. And then the first row of colors are presets. So anything you hit there will start turning on. Then they have standard ones as well. You can play music as well, and it should go off of the music. Then you have different styles that they can go through. You can use your mic on your phone and record sound off like from inside the car, and it'll play off of that. and there's a timer, but it doesn't really work too well. So it's okay. So as you can see here, we have the green light on. Let's go to the back to the app. Now we have a yellowish tint. That should be red, blue, green, teal, purple. Then if you go to the style section, let's say, let's go to gradual rainbow transition, and let's increase the speed all the way up. As you can see, it does color changing sequences, which is pretty awesome. You can have pulsating red, pulsating green, pulsating blue, yellow. What's going on, guys? Hopefully you are enjoying the video. Don't know how good the quality of the light is showing up on the camera. I'm going to come back outside later tonight when it gets darker to test the light and the color a lot more. I'll go up to a building, face the wall, see how level they are, and check the color also, and some of the go more in depth on the app and showing you how to use the music and stuff like that. Alright, well, like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all later. What's going on, guys? Back again, doing the night footage now to show you the difference in the colors and just how bright these LEDs really are. So let's get started with just the white LEDs. That is them. I'll just unlock it again. So much brighter than the normal halogen bulbs. Ridiculously brighter. As you can see, if I go from their point of view, look at that. Ridiculous. Alright, now we're going to lock the car and show you the colored LEDs. We're going to start off with cyan. Here we go. These are the colored LEDs. They are in the cyan coloration right now, which are very awesome. Now these bulbs are not too bright, they're just there for looks. Even if you try driving with them, you really can't see them during the day. Now we're going to change it up to a different color or sequence. Let's see what I got going on. This is green, red, purple, yellow, and orange. Very similar, and you can even do white light as well if you want. Now, if we go to the different styles again, like I was doing earlier, this is the gradual rainbow transition with the speed all the way up. If you slow it down, it just takes longer for it to go. Pulsing red, blue, cyan again. Now you do the pulsating different colors, green and red, red and blue, green and blue. Then you got the rainbow strobe, which is ridiculous. Red strobe. You could slow these too. You got yellow strobe and rainbow random transition. Now I'm going to do the music for like 3 seconds, just because I don't want to get copyrighted. So we're going to do the song Abstract, featuring Rudy B by Neverland.
There was a time I was alone, nowhere to go.
As you can see, they transition to the beat. Here's a better representation of that. I'm going to do the song American Pie.
A long, long time ago, I can still remember how that music used to make me smile.
Now all of this is done through the mic on my phone, which allows it to record the beats. Here, I'm going to get some more light for you guys. 1 second. So all of that is from the beats of the song going through my phone. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is Adventure Addicts, and I'm out.